Hello and welcome to Project Management video clip. My name is Ruslan Kaydashov. I introduce my program about project management. And today, 10 April 2015, this is episode number 2. I will launch my program about project management every month. Each episode duration no more than 15 minutes. I hope it will be interesting for you, and we go start. Enjoy the show. Well, I start and give you a little bit more information about myself. My name is Ruslan Kaydashov, and I am a SAP Project Manager. I have experience 5+ years, and I manage implementation information on technology system to business. There were different companies from energy industry, banks, human industry, and other. More information you can see in my pages on LinkedIn, Facebook, SAP community. You can see my links on screen. And let's talk about for whom this presentation and what topics we would see in my clip. All series of my clips I will do about 3 topics. The first of all, it's project management of SAP implementation, it's SAP methodology, PM book and everything linked with it, practice of IT project management. I think it would be interesting to program or project managers, project team members, solution application architects, application and technology consultants, IT organization leaders, or business process owners, for everyone who decision makers and divided into project management. You say me, what about you tell us? And I should tell you that I would be sharing with my practice tools, practice tips, or maybe it would be approaches in methodology, project management. Well, actually I have got an experience and I would like to share you. Maybe it would not be agree with me and you tell me your vision, but anyway, I think it would be interesting communication about project management, and I think it would be interesting for you. Okay, see today's topic. Here we go. Today's topic is a small detail of big success SAP project management. Today I would like to tell you about detail that influence into success SAP project management. Previous my video clip number 1, I told you about important role of understanding SAP methodology to implementation SAP to customer. I introduced you SAP matrix for handling SAP methodology on one paper list. It could be help you, but only preview level of implementation roadmap. Today I would like follow next, and today I would like to share you more powerful instrument for SAP project management for your good project management. Okay, and we start. Well, let's image the tree with a nice green cover upstairs, like on my picture. Healthy green tree has a strong assemblage of rootlets, and many times big tree get very poor and unclear structure of assemblage rootlets, because it's natural law. If we look at SAP implementation level, we have seen the same way like a nice green tree. Green upstairs, it's a business value after using methodology of implementation. Multi-branch of assembly rootlets, it's a scope of methodology, is consisted of context and content. Just look at the structure of SAP ACE methodology. The key points are the work breakdown structure has 500 plus elements, has 11 areas of methodology, and has more than 105 of templates. I would like to go from words to deal, and I intend to show real work breakdown structure of SAP 8 methodology into Solution Manager, and I show you a couple components in SAP roadmap for your best understanding is. In parallel of my presentation, I open a Solution Manager and I go to this Solution Manager. Here we go. We have the main screen of SAP Solution Manager, and stay at the roadmap and go to next. Here we go. We got SAP methodology for standard project. If we have to change the roadmap, we click roadmap, and we got the list of the another version or another strategy of implementation. For example, we got the previous roadmap, or we got another strategy, and today we have the fourth strategy of implementation roadmap. It's the implementation SAP, it's agile project, assembly to order project, simplify rapid deployment, and then standard. But we standard the project, and for standard project, and we got roadmap. It's a simple table. This vision, it's a simple table, like a 6 column, and grouping information block to each stream. Start to column. The first, it's a project preparation, blueprint, business blueprint, realization, final preparation, go live support, and operations, our column. And grouping of block informational, it's a streams, it's a project management, organization change management, training, and data management, and other grouping informational. Each group, each stream of consists of block of process. Each block of process consists of process, and if we would like to see, go to this. Here we go. We got another vision. We got two sides. We got left side and right side. The left side, it is our tree, consists of 6 stages, and the right side is our description and to watch us additional attachment of this process. Okay, here we go. Try to open it, and we have long multi-branch of assembly rootlets. How it's like a big tree. Okay, for example, state 1, for example, it's a project standard, and here we go. We got this is block process. We got 11 process. Here we go. If we stay, for example, solution documentation procedure, we got description of this process, and we got accelerator. For example, one accelerator, it's a document. It's a document, but we don't open it now. Here we go back to our tree. How do you see it? Not simple. No, you don't quick understand in logic. You don't quick understand in sequence of this process. So I'd like to ask you, how you feeling? How you feeling after our trip to Solution Manager? I suppose you say yourself, I saw quite hard understanding methodology for project management, or I don't know what I would do at the 15 steps to the project management of SAP 8 methodology. Or so many block of process and process documents and items, how I memorize it. So, summary say you're a little bit upset because you don't understand and cannot imagine whole concept of multi-branch structure of SAP 8 methodology. And I sure you're right. Well, what we going to do? What we're going to do to change speed of understanding multi-branch structure of SAP 8 methodology? Many time ago, Marc Aurelius say, if you cannot change things, to change your attitude. It's a great words. For best understanding multi-branch structure of SAP 8, we have to change vision. And I got it. Right vision to do things simple. A live map of SAP 8 is the right way to clear methodology. Let's have a look at a live SAP map. Remind you, I designed it map based on SAP 8 methodology for standard project strategy. And now I show you a live map. Well, here we go. First of all, have a look at the whole structure of map. Okay, and we got a big paper list of SAP 8 and everything is included. Everything items of SAP 8. How do you see whole map divided to columns? This is our stages of SAP methodology. We have 6 phases, 6 columns. Each stage or phases consisted of different color blocks of streams. You might see. And count of blocks is dependent of phases. Upstairs of each column we have short sequence of micro blocks. It's a block defining sequence of stream according to a work breakdown structure of SAP. Look at narrow. Okay, look at our legend. If you look at left down corner, you got SAP matrix. About it, my first video clip, see release. And now our legend. Okay, we got each stream of SAP present like a geometry figure with a personal color. I did it for best memorizing, and the hard methodology did like a simple picture. And look at the elements of block of process. We got 4 elements. The first is a process or activity, accountable role, deliverable, and accelerators. Watch this at real of process, at real block of process. Back to our example and look at the process, project, and operation standard. We got it at initiation stage. This block of process. It's a brown color and project and operation standard. How you may see, we got 11 process, we got 5 roles, we got 5 deliverables, and we got many docs of templates. And you might click and download it. It files interactive mode and open it on your laptop, on computer from this alive map. Okay, back to our main screen. Okay. In my opinion, this vision of SAP 8 do project management of SAP more and more easily, because you are improving your knowledge of SAP methodology. And I'm quite sure it's true. Okay, let's see at the key points of my alive map of SAP. Well, just have a look at the key points of a live map. This is the full working and usability instrument with all details of SAP 8. The second is a really interactive map. You can download any accelerator of SAP 8. And the third is aligned to SAP 8 methodology. You are like a captain of well-customizing boat ready going to your goal. You have a live map, you used it, you have strong opportunity to do project management to success level. Well, summary say I call created a live map of SAP 8 like a small detail of big process for success SAP project management. I propose to you 2 variants. The first is a live map of SAP 8 light version for everyone. The second, a live map of SAP 8 full version for member of SAP community. You say, what a different? I support technical policy of SAP company and do available for using a live map of SAP full version for SAP partners, clients, customer. The difference is full version of a live map has accelerators of methodology, has project in place, documents, and other. Totally say you can download full version, go to SAP community, catch my profile and write me request. or you can download light version, link in our Facebook, or you might use SAP Community and catch my profile. Frankly speaking, your choice to follow to do best for your project management practice. Thank you very much for watching. It was Ruslan Kaydashov and Project Management Clips. See you again.